All right, cutting across to some big news coming in. Rana couple now taking their Hanuman Chalisa war to the national capital, Delhi. Navneet Rana, Ravi Rana begin their march in Delhi. Delhi is the national capital. They're currently carrying out a huge Hanuman Chalisa march where they're going to be present at a temple, at an old Delhi temple, a Hanuman temple, and will be carrying out the Hanuman Chalisa. Remember, ironically, this march that they're carrying out in the national capital, Delhi, comes exactly the same time that Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray is slated to address a huge public rally in Mumbai. And it seems like the Rana couple are carrying out this Hanuman Chalisa march in Delhi, the national capital, as they couldn't do the same in Matoshri in Mumbai. They now brought it to the national capital on the day that Uddhav Thackeray, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra now, wants to hold a huge public rally. Let's take a listen. The Rana speaking.
आज शाम को तो रैली भी है, अभी से कोई संदेश दे दीजिए क्योंकि पूरा हिंदुस्तान आपको देख रहा है।
मैंने तो उनको आह्वान किया है कि उन्होंने एक इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट करना चाहिए क्योंकि बाला साहब ठाकरे ने कभी भी पद के लिए काम किया, हिंदुत्ववादी विचारधारा के लिए काम किया और उद्धव ठाकरे ने सिर्फ पद के लिए काम किया। मैं, मेरा परिवार और मेरा बेटा इसके लिए काम किया, सिर्फ सैनिकों के लिए भी नहीं काम किया। उन्होंने इलेक्शन लड़ना चाहिए और उनके विरोध में मैं
आपने चुनौती दी है उनको?
चुनौती नहीं, और ये रैली में आज उन्होंने इसके ऊपर उत्तर देना चाहिए। शिवसेना के नाम पे आज भी बाला साहब के टीजर में बाला साहब ठाकरे का इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है। अगर तुम में इतनी ताकत होती तो खुद का टीजर बनाते।
ताई, पण हनुमान चालीसा तो कुठेही कुणीही वाचू शकतो, मग विरोध का?
ते त्यांना विचारा ना, हनुमान चालीसाचा विरोध उद्धव ठाकरे का करते बा? हनुमान चालीसाचा विरोध कोणाला आहे, कशाबद्दल आहे, त्यांना भीती कशाची आहे? आज तर माहित पडन ते घरादारी आहे की गदेदारी आहे म्हणून।
All right, that's the Rana couple who is now carrying out a Hanuman Chalisa march in Delhi, the national capital. This is, of course, a hugely symbolic, considering this is the same day that Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray, is slated to hold a huge public rally in Mumbai ahead of the civic body polls. This march in Delhi that the Ranas have brought to almost is political messaging going out to the Maha Vikas Aghadi government, particularly the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. In fact, the Ranas there saying that their prayers today at the Hanuman temple in Delhi would be for the betterment of the people of Maharashtra, which is, according to them, reeling under the autocratic rule of the Maharashtra government of Uddhav Thackeray. This is her direct target at Uddhav Thackeray, saying that he's been working under the shadow of his father. He has no personal identity or integrity. The man is carrying out autocratic rule in the state of Maharashtra, and the prayers today will be for the people of Maharashtra as they carry out this Hanuman Chalisa march in the national capital, Delhi. Amit Bharadwaj, who's currently on ground reporting from Delhi, tracking those movements of the Rana couple. Amit, we see this huge march that the Rana couple is now carrying out, the Hanuman Chalisa march. Do they have adequate police security? Do they have permissions in place? And what is their motive behind this march? Because they failed to carry that in Mumbai, they brought it now to the doorstep of the national capital.
Well, Nabila, I'll just ask Ankit, the video journalist, to show you the details. Permission has been granted for this massive Hanuman Chalisa rally, and not only there is Delhi police deployment on the roads of Delhi, but also the paramilitary force is escorting the Rana couple to the iconic Hanuman Mandir in the Connaught Place. So as far as the permission is concerned, they have been granted permission. There is paramilitary force which has been deployed on the ground to ensure that proper security is provided to the Rana couple, and they are able to, recite Hanuman Chalisa at the iconic Hanuman Mandir in the Connaught Place. But the question is, what is the message that is being sent from the national capital to Maharashtra? Ma'am, are you sending a straight message from the national capital to Maharashtra, to Uddhav Thackeray? Is that the purpose of this particular march?
See, whatever message I had to give, I have already given them. And today, the way he's conducting a rally and speech, he should start from Hanuman Chalisa. He should chant Hanuman Chalisa and then start. It is already I have given a message, and the way I was there in the jail, I was giving a message to Uddhav Thackeray. You cannot stop me but putting behind the bars. I am a fighter. I will fight till my last breath.
So you're fighting on the streets of the national capital with a saffron flag in your hand. The sedition case which was pressed against you has been put on hold because of the Supreme Court verdict. Do you think that this is going to give a big relief to you?
See, the day I went inside, I didn't know that the center and the Supreme Court is going to do something like this and give a stay on the sedition. And I was fearless that time. I'm still fearless, and I will be fearless, and I will fight. Whether the sedition is there with me, I'll go to High Court, I'll go to Supreme Court against that case.
Is your motive to throw the Maha Aghadi government from Maharashtra?
Maha Aghadi, the way Maha Aghadi is working in Maharashtra, it is baseless. It is thoughtless. I think the Uddhav Thackeray is only the name, but other two parties are taking all the I don't know how to say that, but he is a very weak person. He is useless.
You are saying Uddhav Thackeray is a weak individual.
Yes, 100% he is a weak individual. Still, yes, in whole India, he is the only chief minister has not visited his chief minister's office for 2.5 years. So he is a weak chief minister. It will be known, it will be registered in the Guinness Book World that one chief minister who is taking over financially Maharashtra, and that Maharashtra is taking behind like this, not visiting.
Many people will say that the remote control of the Rana couple is with the BJP. How do you respond?
See, I don't think. It is told by only Shiv Sainik, that is left and right, who stands left and right to Uddhav Thackeray. It is just told by them, not anybody else.
Not anybody else. We are also joined by MLA Ravi Rana. Sir, the Shiv Sena has been saying that you are Bunty Bubbly of the Maharashtra politics, and here in the national capital with saffron flags are marching towards Hanuman Mandir. Do you think that you will be able to counter Uddhav Thackeray with this kind of politics?
उद्धव ठाकरे की पॉलिटिक्स जो है वो अभी पूरी तरह गिर गई है, और जिसकी पॉलिटिक्स गिर जाती है, उसका स्तर गिर जाता है, उनको ही हनुमान चालीसा का विरोध करते हैं। और मुझे लगता है जिस तरह से उद्धव ठाकरे जी ने हनुमान चालीसा का विरोध करके बता दिया है कि बाला साहब के विचार पूरी तरह भूल गए, और जो सत्ता उद्धव ठाकरे को मिली है, मोदी जी का फोटो लगा के उन्होंने वोट मांगे और भाजपा के पीठ पे खंजीर खुपस के वो मुख्यमंत्री बने, तो इन्होंने हिंदुत्व का गला उसी दिन घोट दिया जिस दिन वो कांग्रेस और एनसीपी के साथ जाके बैठे। तो जिसने धोखा दिया महाराष्ट्र की जनता को, भाजपा को, उन्होंने हिंदुत्व नहीं सिखाना चाहिए। हिंदुत्व तुम्हारे में थोड़ा भी बचा है तो हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ो और रैली की शुरुआत करो। हनुमान चालीसा बिना पढ़े अगर रैली शुरू करेंगे तो गधाधारी कौन है और गधा कौन है पता चलेगा। और एक महिला ने उन्हें आह्वान किया है, जिन्होंने जेल में डाला है, कि आप मैदान में उतरो, जो मैदान में जो जिले से उतरेंगे वहां से नवनीत राणा इलेक्शन लड़ेंगी। उस महिला के आह्वान को स्वीकारना चाहिए इस रैली के अंदर। वो नवनीत राणा ठाकरे को हटाने के लिए बीजेपी के साथ जाएगा राणा कपल? नहीं, बीजेपी के साथ हम लोग है, मोदी जी को हमने सपोर्ट किया है, उधर देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी को सपोर्ट किया है महाराष्ट्र में। तो मुझे लगता है जो अच्छा काम कर रहे देश में, उनके साथ रह के काम करना, यही हमारी संस्कृति है। और मोदी जी देश में जो काम कर रहे हैं, उस देश में काम कर रहे हैं, उसको मजबूत करने के लिए हर समय हम उनके साथ है। और जो हनुमान चालीसा का विरोध कर रहे हैं महाराष्ट्र में उद्धव ठाकरे, उनके हम खिलाफ। महाराष्ट्र की राजनीति दिल्ली की सड़कों से कैसे चलेगी? दिल्ली में जो प्राचीन मंदिर है, जो हनुमान जी का मंदिर है, देश का सभी लोग देश के यहाँ दर्शन के लिए आते हैं, उसी तरह हम भी यहाँ पे दर्शन के लिए आए, हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ रहे हैं, हनुमान जी की आरती करने वाले हैं कि महाराष्ट्र के सुख शांति के लिए। और उद्धव ठाकरे के सद्बुद्धि मिलना चाहिए कि जो हिंदुत्व का विरोध कर रहे हैं, उन्हें सद्बुद्धि मिलना चाहिए कि हिंदुत्व का विरोध क्यों कर रहे हैं। और कांग्रेस के साथ बैठे और कांग्रेस की नीतियों पे चल रहे हैं, बाला साहब की नीतियां भूल चुके हैं, और कहीं न कहीं हिंदुत्व का गला घोटने का काम उद्धव ठाकरे ने किया है। इसी रैली के अंदर उनके तरफ सबका ध्यान है। वो हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ के रैली की शुरुआत करेंगे या औरंगजेब का नाम लेके शुरुआत
आज उद्धव ठाकरे आपको, राज ठाकरे को जवाब देने वाले हैं, बीजेपी को जवाब देने वाले हैं, ऐसी बात कही जा रही है शिवसेना की तरफ से।
देश का हिंदू जवाब मांग रहा है कि हनुमान चालीसा का विरोध करना और उनको देशद्रोह का गुना दाखिल करना, ये जवाब उनसे मांग रहा है। रैली के शुरुआत में औरंगजेब का नाम लेंगे या हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ेंगे, ये देश की जनता जान रही है। कौन गदाधारी है, कौन घंटाधारी है, कौन गधा है, ये इस रैली में पता चला।
एक आखिरी सवाल सर, आप विधायक हैं, आपकी पत्नी सांसद है, विकास के बाद की जगह हिंदूवाद, गधा और ये झंडा, इससे क्या फायदा मिलेगा आपके
महाराष्ट्र में पहला मुख्यमंत्री है, इसके पहले देवेंद्र फडणवीस मुख्यमंत्री थे। हर संडे, हर हफ्ते में 2 बार एमएलए एमपी को मिलते थे। यहाँ चीफ मिनिस्टर 2 साल से किसी एमएलए एमपी को मिला नहीं। चीफ मिनिस्टर मंत्रालय पे आया नहीं। चीफ मिनिस्टर महाराष्ट्र के किसी कोने में घुमा नहीं। क्या विकास मांगेंगे? जो आदमी विकास के लिए राजनीति करता है, विकास के नाम पे जहाँ उसको कोई विजन नहीं है, कोई मंत्रालय आता नहीं है, कोई डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जाता नहीं है, किसी को मिलता नहीं है, उससे विकास की अपेक्षा कर नहीं सकते। ये सत्ता के लिए
महाराष्ट्र जाने से डर रहा है इस वक्त।
महाराष्ट्र हमारी जन्मभूमि है, कर्मभूमि है। जन्मभूमि में ही हम लोगों ने यहाँ से वहाँ से शुरुआत करके यहाँ तक आए हैं। महाराष्ट्र में अगर डरते थे तो मुंबई जाके उसको ललकारते नहीं थे, जहाँ पे हमने हनुमान चालीसा का पाठ पढ़ने की बात की थी। और उसी दिन मालूम पड़ा कि उद्धव ठाकरे की सेना जो है पूरी तरह कांग्रेस सेना हो गई है। जो बाला साहब की विचारों की सेना थी वो कहीं दिखी नहीं हमको। इसीलिए महाराष्ट्र हमारी जन्मभूमि है, कर्मभूमि है। वहाँ पूरी ताकत से जिले जिले में हम घूमेंगे, गांव गांव में घूमेंगे, और जो नकली हिंदुत्व लेके उद्धव ठाकरे चल रहे उसका परिणाम उनको भोगना पड़ेगा।
क्या बाला साहब की लेगेसी का ट्रू जो उत्तराधिकारी कहते हैं वो आपको लगता है राज ठाकरे या उद्धव ठाकरे?
मुझे लगता है कि जो बाला साहब का उत्तराधिकारी बोल के उन्होंने जो पद लिया है उसके पद में बैठने के लायक नहीं हो। जहाँ हिंदुत्व का विरोध किया जाता है, जहाँ पे हनुमान चालीसा का विरोध किया जाता है, जहाँ पे वो मुख्यमंत्री होने के बाद औरंगजेब के कब्र पे फूल बरसाए जाते हैं, वो हिंदुत्व की उत्तराधिकारी हो नहीं सकते बाला साहब के। तो आने वाले समय में बाला साहब के जो विचार है पूरे भाजपा के अंदर है, भाजपा की नीतियां बाला साहब के विचारों पे चल रही है। तो मुझे लगता है कि बाला साहब जैसा एक अच्छा चेहरा एक मोदी जी के चेहरे में देखा जाता है। तो इसलिए पूरा शिवसेना की जो 90% जो बाला साहब के विचार हो गए थे वो भाजपा में विलीन हो गए।
बीजेपी के साथ। सो यू जस्ट हर्ड द राणा कपल speaking exclusively to India Today, where they are not only training their guns on the Uddhav Thackeray, but is also saying that actually the Shiv Sena led by Uddhav Thackeray is not the Shiv Sena that was formed by Bala Saheb Thackeray, and he is saying that he is supporting BJP. The Rana couple have been supporting BJP, and it appears to them that the BJP is the true successor of the Bala Saheb's legacy, the politics, the model of politics of Bala Saheb in Maharashtra. But Nabila, the visuals from the streets of Delhi, where this Rana couple who had faced the might of the rule in Maharashtra are now have taken their political front to the national capital. They're marching from North Avenue of the national capital to the iconic Hanuman Mandir in Connaught Place. So that is the mode of politics that is being played out on the streets of Delhi today. And remember, the location might be the national capital, but the message is for Mumbai, is for Matoshri. The message is that they have... Okay. So the message is clear. Message is clear from the Rana couple that they have not changed their path. That is the message that Rana couple is trying to give, and they appear undeterred, fearless, and they are continuously marching, and they are saying that they are going to send a message from Delhi to Maharashtra to Uddhav Thackeray for the rally that is being conducted today. And in fact, the Rana couple, while speaking to India Today, said that Uddhav Thackeray should begin his rally today with Hanuman Chalisa. So that is a big demand coming from the national capital, from the Rana couple. And you see, my colleague Ankit is showing you the visuals as to how the planning and the security arrangement has been done in the national capital, where you have the paramilitary forces and Delhi police escorting the Rana couple in the national capital to make sure, number one, the law and order situation is maintained, and number two, the security of the... Yes, we are in fact joined by Navneet Rana. Ma'am, you have almost reached the spot where you wanted to go. You know, in a matter of couple of minutes. In Maharashtra, you were not given this opportunity. Here you have police security, paramilitary security. So what do you think, what is the difference between the establishments in these two states?
See, I am very sad about this. Where I am born in Mumbai, there I cannot chant Hanuman Chalisa on road. But where I just represent as a Lok Sabha member, there happily I can chant, I can walk, I can go to the temple and chant Hanuman Chalisa. That much security, that much respect of Hanuman Chalisa is given by the center government. I think the way the Maharashtra is taking by Uddhav Thackeray is all in a wrong place. So I think I have reached to temple, but I have not reached to my thing where I wanted actually that Uddhav Thackeray should vanish from Maharashtra and Maharashtra should grow and progress should happen in Maharashtra.
So now Navneet Rana's target is to dethrone Uddhav Thackeray. The target has changed.
My target has never changed. My target is to prachar and prasar of my religion that I'm going to do till the last breath of my life. That I'm going to do. But with that, who are against Hindutvadi, I'm against them. And that is Uddhav Thackeray. Because one person who's wanted to chant Hanuman Chalisa, they're putting them behind the bar as a female. I'm the only first member of parliament from Maharashtra, female, who has been sent to jail. For what reason? Chanting Hanuman Chalisa. So I think this fight is not going to stop till the time I won't stop Uddhav Thackeray.
Okay. You have Hanuman Chalisa booklet in your hand, you know, the saffron flag around you and marching towards the iconic Hanuman Mandir in the national capital. Here we have witnessed several historic moments of the national capital. So do you think you going to this Hanuman temple in Connaught Place is going to create another chapter actually in politics of Maharashtra, not of Delhi?
See, wherever people who believes in Hanuman Chalisa, who believes in Hindu, anywhere in India, anywhere in world, I will be there if they want me. Okay. And I am always there with them.
Okay. One last question. What changed between you and the BJP? Because you had raised several questions regarding your security and safety in the parliament. It was not heard properly during the Lok Sabha session, and suddenly everything seems changed on the streets of Maharashtra and now in Delhi.
See, whenever I have raised questions against my security or against security of my people in Maharashtra, it is always been heard from the center government, and still today they are in the favor, who work, who fight for a good cause, they are always supporting them. So I think the support from center, it was always with people who fight, not only individual Navneet Rana, they are in the support of this Hindustani single person who lives in India. They are always with them.
Okay. Thanks a lot for speaking to us. So that was Rana couple speaking exclusively to India Today. You just heard to them, and they have almost reached the Hanuman temple in the national capital in Connaught Place. Over to you, Nabila.
Amit, we're looking at the Rana couple who've arrived in the national capital, Delhi, bold, confident, and speaking with conviction. Their target is clear, that they will not entertain Uddhav Thackeray and his autocratic rule. They're going to be praying for the people of Maharashtra as they march towards the Hanuman temple in Delhi, the national capital, chanting the Hanuman Chalisa. This is undoubtedly symbolic, considering this is the same day they're carrying out this Hanuman Chalisa march, when Uddhav Thackeray is all set to hold a huge public rally. India Today on this story, we're going to continue tracking the developments there. Rana couple fast approaching the Hanuman temple, chanting Hanuman Chalisa in New Delhi. Taking you through those details right after a short break.